essence of this beautiful home lies in each brick that we have here. And while Build a Home was placing these bricks, Venki and me saw our dream home taking shape, and we are very happy.
For me personally, when I came to Bangalore back in '88, my monthly salary was 500 rupees. And from that travel with a lot of hard work and a lot of professional challenges, I have come to this level. So completion of this house of this shape is more of a sakshatkar. So it was a contentment more than anything else. My name is Venkatakrishna.
Namaskara, I'm Thangam.
I came to Bangalore back in 1988, and I've been here for a long time now. It's basically, as a profession, I started with coffee and happy to continue still as a coffee professional.
I have tried my hand at several things, including starting a computer center in Palakkad. Then I also worked for a content development company. And at the moment, I'm doing a small work with a data science company.
We were living in central Bangalore for about 10 years, and the family was growing. We have two children, Harit and Hamsika. We thought we should go for an independent house. We had a piece of land. We did a lot of research, whom to entrust the work, and found Build a Home is one of the service providers who will do turnkey projects. And we went and held discussions with them. And the advantage with Build a Home is they have everything under one roof.
The entire area is 3,700 square feet. So from outside we have car parking, a pretty large car parking. We can park 2 cars. And I was insistent on some garden area. So we have left on all the 4 sides a set of about between 3 to 5 feet to keep pots or plants. We have left free soil, in fact. And we have a lot of plants. We went up to Dodda Aladamara and picked up the plants, and also nurseries nearby. For him, every day, 2 hours in the morning, he does puja. And we use a lot of flowers in the puja room. And we thought, okay, it would be a good idea to have the puja flowers grown in our house. And we have a lot of hibiscus, malige hua, and parijata, a lot of flowers which we use in the puja room. So it's a fantastic feeling. So once you enter, we have a small tiny foyer area. Then we have a large open living area which is double height. So the ceiling height here is 12 feet as opposed to the usual 10 feet. Here we have, in fact, if you can see the living area, we have double height. That is, it's more than 24 feet. That gives us a lot of air and natural sunlight. So when you come here in the summers, you don't need lights. Even up to late evening, you don't need lights here at all. You have the natural light here. In fact, the living area, the kitchen, and the dining area is all integrated into just one space. You don't have any segregation here. So it looks larger than it actually is. And to the left, we have the guest bedroom, a small guest bedroom with an attached bathroom. The puja room is a very, very special area in this house, and our architect, in fact, Vastu expert Kanipayur from Kerala, he suggested the design of this puja room. It's exactly like how it is done in Kerala and the Kerala temples. Since he spends a lot of time chanting and doing prayers every day, we gave very special attention to the puja room. And it is an open kitchen. We have given plenty of space. We didn't want it crowded. So we have a separate utility and a storeroom. So only the items that are required often are kept here. Build a Home gave us quite some suggestions about the staircase, and this is, I think it's called a folding staircase.
Yes.
We decided on this. We thought this would suit the house better than the other model. We wanted a wooden staircase. And the railings, we wanted it very simple. We didn't want the focus take away from the rest of the house with any particular design. So simple railings and wooden staircase. So whatever we thought of, they incorporated it exactly like how we wanted it. My father is about 90 years old, and he won't be able to climb up the stairs. And we have many relatives who are quite old. None of them would be able to even see the top portion. So that's when we decided to get a lift.
On the first floor, we have 3 bedrooms and a library cum yoga room. So we have master room in the southwest corner, and for the 2 kids, separate 2 bedrooms with attached bathroom and toilet. And one common balcony on the eastern side and one on the western side. This brick, if you see, it's 90% clay and 10% cement for binding, and it is not there is no heat generated. It is done in hydraulic compression. So if you look at the temperature during summertime, if it is 35 degrees outside, its inside is 30 degrees. So there is 5 degrees lower because of the number one, because of the clay bricks. Number two, it is because of the high ceiling. So these two things are definitely helping this house to achieve that.
In fact, there's one more thing. They have a good AMC. buildAhome has an AMC. So 1 year, for 1 year, when you start living here, any issues, any leakages, any other problems, they repair it free of cost. And I think that is a fantastic thing to do.
Ultimately, whatever you put things in writing, it's a question of trust and confidence in somebody, so that then only you have the comfort level to work with, because it's a 1 to 2 years project is a pretty much long time. So many things can go wrong. And we decided to go ahead with it and take the risk. And the advantage we had was buildAhome. Each and every stage, they collect money only after completion of work. So
Yes.
we had that sort of comfort level where, as a client working with a project team, you should have the comfort level, which we had with buildAhome always. I would strongly recommend buildAhome for the job of construction to be interested. With my experience, I can vouch for them.
Bunny, let's build a home.